Is it the right time to make a decision about Uber stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 9, 2024, our system has ranked Uber as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these 26 days, Uber has exceeded our expectations and delivered a remarkable gain of 31.26% since we first recommended buying it. This translates to an average return of 1.2% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. Thank you for watching. The stock has recently broken a strong and upward short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. If there is any pullback, the previous trend's broken level at $71.59 will now serve as support, potentially offering a second opportunity for gains. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 27.22% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 3.45% to 15.07%. Furthermore, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 104.82% change in the next year, offering a potential return between 32.42% and 77.87%. This indicates a price range of $104.81 to $140.78 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Uber brings exciting news. Uber's stock price soared by 14.73% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Uber stock price experienced a significant gain of 14.73%. It rose from $68.99 to $79.15. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 6.58% between its lowest point at $74.31 and its highest point at $79.20. Interestingly, this marks the 7th time the price has risen in the past 10 days, resulting in an impressive 21.27% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, there was a positive technical sign as both volume and price increased, with approximately 46 million more shares being traded compared to the previous day. The total trading volume reached 66 million shares, accounting for a staggering $5.25 billion in value. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $79.20, while the lowest price dipped down to $29.22. Currently, the price sits just 0.06% below the 52-week high, at $79.20. This is not only the highest point of the past year, but also the all-time high for Uber's stock. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Uber. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Needham gave Uber an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, February 7, 2024, JMP Securities assigned Uber a market outperform grade with a hold action. In the same day, Goldman Sachs gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Switching to Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Uber as a buy with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Wells Fargo also gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Uber stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Uber stock. The Uber stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $71.56 and $65. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 37.46%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which gave a buy signal. Pivots also provided a buy signal 28 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. Now, if we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average signaled a buy 26 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 72 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to visit StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. When it comes to support levels, Uber currently has two significant ones. The first one is at $68.99, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level, which is at $62.50. It's important to keep in mind that testing a support level always carries some risk. Speaking of risk, Uber has medium risk due to its average movements and good trading volume. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $4.89 or 6.58% between its high and low. Looking at the past week, Uber has shown a daily average volatility of 4.12%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Uber, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth expectations for the company's future. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.180. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Uber. When it comes to the upside, we don't see any significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine your exit point. On the flip side, if Uber faces a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $68.99. This support level could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Uber from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 6, 2024, Dara Khosrowshahi conducted an insider buy of 1,750,000 shares of stock options, right to buy. On February 6, 2024, Tony West conducted an insider buy of 300,000 shares of stock options, right to buy. On February 6, 2024, Glenn Ceremony conducted an insider buy of 12,249 shares of common stock. On February 6, 2024, Glenn Ceremony conducted an insider sell of 4,611 shares of common stock. On February 6, 2024, Nikki Krishnamurti conducted an insider buy of 24,498 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 91.061. Overall, insiders purchased 2,347,889 shares and sold 99,174 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $76.44, which is a decrease of 3.42%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, meaning it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is at 79, which significantly increases the risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 27 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? While there are several positive signals for Uber, we believe it may be best to hold or accumulate this stock at the current level. We recommend waiting for further development before making a buying decision. Our analysis has downgraded Uber from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we expect Uber to open down by $1.60 and start trading at $77.55. Before we get started, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor. StockInvest.us is here to provide you with valuable information, but please remember that your investment choices are your own responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Let's engage in a discussion and learn from each other. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.